How to initiate video recording. Garmin Varia app allows you to select 3 different video recording modes when pairing with RCT715. To do this, you need to pair your RCT715 with Garmin Varia app. Follow the steps to pair Varia app with RCT715. 1. Download and open Garmin Varia app. 2. Press and hold the power button on RCT715 until the light signal flashes pink. 3. Follow the instructions to finish pairing with RCT715. Tap plus sign on top of Varia app. Open Varia app. You can see this screen on the app. Continuous mode at the bottom indicates that RCT715 is currently recording. RCT715 automatically starts recording when it is turned on, and this setting is by default. If you would like to change this setting, this is what you can do. 1. Tap the RCT715 picture at the top of the app. 2. Select camera. 3. Select recording mode. 4. Select during radar activity, if you prefer activating recording when a vehicle is detected. The recording continues for 1 minute. You can always switch it back to continuous mode and start recording by pushing the round button on RCT715. 5. Select off if you would like to disable video recording. Radar will remain active. You can always switch it back to continuous mode and start recording by pushing the round button on RCT715. 6. Or simply remain continuous if you would like RCT715 to start recording as soon as it is turned on. That's it. Thanks for watching.